Mr. Yoshikuni Takashige, Vice President Marketing Strategy, Fujitsu Limited, to the stage for his speech entitled Human-Centric Innovation Driving Digital Transformation. Mr. Takashige, please come to the stage.
Good. Good afternoon, everyone. Yep. I'm so excited to see so many guests, and I hope you're excited too. My name is Yoshi Takashige, Vice President, Head of Marketing Strategy. I want to talk about Fujitsu's vision and our thinking on digital transformation. But before starting my keynote, let me briefly introduce myself. I joined Fujitsu in 1984, engaged in international business. So I already spent 32 years, quite long for one company. It's not unusual for a Japanese company. It's quite loyal. But for many years, I was developing new businesses, strategic alliances, and joint ventures, and traveled throughout the Asia-Pacific region, including the Philippines, a long time ago. So I'm so happy to be back here, rekindling my relationship with you. And I really love this country. You are very friendly, and also the Philippine food is very delicious. Last evening we had a very good dinner, adobo, sinigang, and the lechon. The whole of the roast pig. It's so delicious. So I'm very energetic today. Good. Currently, I am responsible for marketing strategy and creating and communicating Fujitsu's vision. We call the Fujitsu Technology and Service Vision. This sets out our vision for the future and our thinking on how organizations can realize innovation by using technology. We first launched this in 2013 and have updated it annually. Our consistent central idea is called human-centric innovation. It means that organizations, you can realize innovation by empowering people with digital technology. And we believe this is the best way for driving digital transformation. Yes, as he explained, digital transformation is now sweeping the world. IDC predicts that 1/3 of top 20 leading players in each industry will be disrupted in just 20 years. So how can organizations cope with this, embrace digital, and win this new game? I want to talk about three things. First, what is digital transformation? And second, how Fujitsu, we can help you enable your digital business. And third, I will touch on the future of digital and people and close my speech. Now, powerful outcomes come from incorporating digital into the heart of business and society. This is digital transformation. Please watch this short video. enjoy the movie? Yeah? Okay. Yes, I really like this because I am personally involved in creating this film. You may feel that this movie is a bit futuristic, but all the scenes are backed up by our real technologies and solutions. So it's not fake. Business leaders are already aware of the potential of digital. Why? Because digital delivers business outcomes. Digital enables business model transformation. So as he said, like GE, a manufacturing company can have a chance to shifting from just a goods selling model to service provision model by using IoT and data analytics. And digital technology means different things for different people. Digital can help a retailer to enhance their customer experience. And the digital can help a manufacturing company to streamline their manufacturing operations and establish operational excellence. Or digital can help a financial institution to add new value to their financial product. And our customers have already embarked on their digital transformation journeys. I'll give you three examples. Our customer is one of the largest global fashion retailers, employing 130,000 people in 2,500 locations. They're pretty big, but they're also facing serious competitive pressure from online new innovative retailers. Their challenge is to use the benefit of digital insights in the physical fashion retail store environment. So Fujitsu collaborated with the company and provided a solution enabling the retailer to utilize and capture location information from their customers' smart devices across 3 stores and 5 departments in the big fashion retail store. And this has helped the retailer to analyze data and acquire insights on the dashboard and apply the acquired insights to optimize store layouts, staffing allocation, and promotions. So this has enabled the retailer to enhance their customer experience. Another customer, Omron, is a leading global manufacturer of factory automation and healthcare equipment. They are pursuing further enhancement in manufacturing operations. So Fujitsu has helped Omron to visualize the production data in multiple processes in one screenshot. And this has enabled their professionals to find out how to improve their operations further. And this boosted their productivity by 30%. It's a huge jump. So they are now establishing operational excellence. In the digitalized economy, stock exchanges are not exempted from the risk of digital disruption. Order processing speed and transaction reliability are crucial success factors for them. So Tokyo Stock Exchange and Fujitsu collaborated to renew their trading system, and we successfully achieved 300 microseconds of processing speed, 3 times faster than the existing system, and higher transaction reliability. And this has helped Tokyo Stock Exchange to establish product leadership of their financial services. All these digital transformations are now driven by the advance of digital technology. Digital is big waves. Digital technology has grown through 4 major waves of development, and all of them are so huge and posing tremendous opportunities as well as challenges. I wish some of you may like surfing. So all our colleges and skills are tested whether we'll be able to manage to successfully ride on these great waves. If we fail, we'll be smashed, disrupted. The first wave was the internet, providing a shared platform for many new innovative services. And the second wave was the mobile internet, enabling real-time ubiquitous computing. But now, the third truly big wave is developing around us, the Internet of Things. In 2020, 50 billion or more things will be connected, sharing information. But we already feel another big wave is gathering momentum. The fourth wave, artificial intelligence and robotics, are becoming a reality. The first and second waves have enabled many new innovative consumer online services, but the third and fourth waves combined are giving a rise of a totally new world, a hyper-connected world, giving impacts to all industries and bringing about a new industrial revolution. Yes, we are now experiencing a big paradigm shift from the industrial era to the digital era. In the previous industrial era, value has been created through value chain, which we all are familiar with. And this is good at managing scarce resources, such as natural resources, plant and machinery, labor, or financial capital. But in this digital era, value is being created through a totally new animal of platform and ecosystem. And this is good at managing abundant resources. Abundant. So now there are three key value drivers. First one, the creativity of people, all of us. And second, intelligence derived from big data, as he mentioned, information power. And third, connectedness of many things and processes enabled by the Internet of Things. Accordingly, organizational setup is also changing from hierarchical one to more flat, open, collaborative one for real-time management. And the role of IT is also changing. No more productivity and efficiency only, but digital contributes to the top line of business and business model transformation. Architecture also changes from robust, monolithic architecture to flexible microservices architecture, and development style too, from waterfall to agile. And in order to embrace these significantly different characteristics of the digital era, we propose a very unique approach to innovation, bringing together the three key value drivers in the digital era: people, information, and infrastructure, things. This we call human-centric innovation. Now organization can create new value by connecting various sorts of things through IoT, smart homes, smart cars, or smart factory, or even smart agriculture. In the movie you saw, cows are now connected to the Internet of Things, and we can increase the productivity. And we can collect such information and analyze that, create intelligence, and apply created intelligence to empower people so that people can have better experience, work more creativity, and live fuller lives. This is human-centric innovation, and we believe this is the best way for driving digital transformation. I'd like to give you a real example. So this is a cockpit image of spatial, and spatial connects various types of infrastructure, not only cars, but also, for example, railways or energy stations, and collect location information and other information, and mash up such kind of information, not kind of location information, but local weather, social media chats, or public and commercial facilities information, and create intelligence, and empower people with this intelligence, drivers, pedestrians, of course, service providers. But the important thing is that this is not just for navigation purpose. This can play a very critical role of urban mobility platform. And already many new services have been supported based on spatial. I'd like to give you just a few examples. For example, Toyota is using spatial-based hydrogen station management service for their world-first fuel cell vehicle, Mirai. And the toll road management company in Indonesia is using spatial for congestion management. And Kawasaki City in Japan, where I live, is using spatial for providing better citizen services. And I'll later talk about that, but in Singapore, we are developing new solutions to cope with difficult urban challenges. We are working together with our customers and partners to create new type of digital ecosystems, co-creating new value for people. Okay? Now I want to move to the second topic. How can customers, enable digital business? And Fujitsu can help you enable digital business. But before that, how digital business works? The core of digital business is a continuous cycle of sense, understand, decide, and act. This is not that so different from what every one of us is doing every moment, but the four major waves of digital technology now allow an organization to sense the physical world through the IoT and understand the real-time status of business operations by analyzing big data, and make better decisions helped by AI-based algorithm. And finally, take more autonomous actions helped by robotics technology. And I want to give you a snapshot of this example by using Fujitsu's intelligent dashboard solution. Please have a look at this video.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Mr. Oikawa.
I just want to know what's going on today. Status of the factories.
Okay. An alarm is happening in line 8 at the Shiga factory.
That sounds good. Focus on line 8 to see the details.
Here you are.
Okay. Show me the program of the Shiga.
Okay. Please wait a minute to figure it out. This sensor shows that the level of lighting fell below 20%.
I understand the program. I need your advice. Please advise me.
Well, I will analyze the past information. Please wait a minute. Oops, I found this sensor often has a problem with a part. Mr. Oikawa, it is better to change the sensor immediately.
Thanks for your advice.
Yeah, so it's cool, isn't it? It's like a science fiction story is becoming a reality now. Of course, this is still a demonstration video, but it's coming soon to you. But to activate this continuous cycle of sense, understand, decide, and act with digital technology, organization needs to develop a new type of digital business platform. So Fujitsu began delivering our own digital business platform we call MetaArc. This is a comprehensive framework for enabling your digital business. This is based on scalable cloud and allows the organization to use the 4 waves of digital technology as a service so that you can easily mash up them to create new digital business applications. And it's also designed to align your existing business applications and your new digital business applications to reduce complexity and create new value. And it's also designed to connect your business applications with external service ecosystems through application programming interface. And you'll listen to more from another speaker later. But digital provides all sorts of benefits, but digital also gives us tremendous challenges and threats. Cybersecurity is considered the biggest challenge to business leaders. To protect your security, Fujitsu is providing managed security service, leverage our own internal practices and procedures. One major challenge is that it is difficult for conventional security technology to identify unknown types of cyber attacks. But Fujitsu's unique AI program can help detect such unknown types of cyber attacks and allows an organization to take countermeasures in a much more timely manner. Again, another speaker will talk about security later on. And all these digital capabilities are, of course, enabled by good computing infrastructure. So Fujitsu provides world best quality and reliable computing products. Our PrimeQuest, Primagy, M10, and Eternus product lines are all proven and rated world best in various benchmarks. So we'll continue to provide these products with full support services for our customers and partners. Time is running, but I want to move to the final topic, the digital future. The fourth digital wave, artificial intelligence, is advancing very rapidly and impacting our everyday lives, businesses, and society. Fujitsu is working very hard to develop that. Just give you one example. Fujitsu is working in the math exam team of the National Institute of Informatics project of Japan called Can a Robot Get into the University of Tokyo? Can you imagine? Robot, the University of Tokyo. It sounds strange, but the purpose of this project is to assess how far AI can do human cognitive tasks. And fact-finding question is relatively easy for intelligent machines to answer. So what is the capital of the Philippines? Manila. But the math question is much more difficult because it requires reasoning capability. But Fujitsu's reasoning technology has helped the system to achieve a very high score at the practice exam at the level already passing the majority of universities' admission tests. But personally, I feel a bit confused because the University of Tokyo is my alma mater. So can you imagine that if my classmate was a robot? But it might not be so bad. She could, help me work out my homework. I can do probably the golf or tennis or whatever I like, and in return, I can teach her the human jokes. But let's see. But many people say a storm is coming. The famous Oxford University report in 2013 said 47% of the United States jobs will be subject to replacement by intelligent machines in 20 years. And preeminent scientists like Stephen Hawking a great business leader like Elon Musk are alerting the potential threat of artificial intelligence. Will we be terminated? We should respect these views, of course. Indeed, previously, factory automation reduced the number of workforce significantly. But we should also look at positive aspects of technology. The internet created new jobs. The internet expanded our economy. And in the increasingly aging society like Japan, probably you are not, but Japan is plagued with the decreasing number of working age population. In this kind of environment, AI and robots may play a very good role of filling the shortage of labor. So, technology is neither good nor bad. How people use it matters. So we think the most critical mission of technology is to empower people. This is our human-centric vision. Thinking about what AI is leads us to thinking about what we humans are. Intelligent machines will probably be able to crunch a big volume of data and return most probably correct answers in a ultra-fast way. We cannot do that. We are beaten, but what's the difference? But humans have not only brains, but our bodies. We have emotions, intuitions, and most importantly, we have creativity, which computers will not have. And we live with our families, play with our friends, and work with our colleagues. So human intelligence is intrinsically open and social. So I think human intelligence and AI-type algorithm are quite complementary, and we can collaborate effectively and achieve previously imaginable, unimaginable breakthroughs. We are still facing serious challenges globally. The world population surpassed 7 billion and continues to grow, and we are surrounded by many difficult challenges like urbanization, aging, environmental issues, or food shortage, and of course, natural disasters. We think technology has a critical mission to help solve these difficult challenges, and for Fujitsu, it is not just our aim, but our obligation. I'd like to give you a few examples. In Singapore, we set up a center of excellence with the Agency for Science, Technology, and Research of Singapore and Singapore Management University. You saw in the movie. We are developing unique solutions to help mitigate difficult urban challenges. And I'd like to give you two examples. One solution is maritime port optimization. This is a dynamic view of Singapore Strait, congested with too many vessels. So no doubt, there is a high risk of near misses and collision. How to avoid this? So we are developing a very unique solution to identify exact location of each vessel using the AI signal, estimate their maneuvers, and calibrate the possibility of near misses and collisions, and immediately alert them. This is good, isn't it? This will contribute to the safety of ships and the people, and also contribute to the efficiency of the port and the economy. This is about optimizing the movements of ships, but we are also optimizing the movements of people. As you saw in the movie, a big event finished, and the people started to flow to public transportation. So naturally, MRT and taxis will be congested. But we are now devising a unique way. Send mobile coupons at right timing to induce people to nearby shops, restaurants, so on. This is good, isn't it? This is a win-win-win-win solution. This is good for public transportation. This is good for the shops and restaurants. They can gain more revenues. And this is good for event organizer but the real beneficiary is people, have better experience, and also buy something very good. Okay. I'd like to give you the final example. It's already time is passing. In the healthcare and life science field, we are trying to realize a higher quality of life. One example, the University of Tokyo and Fujitsu jointly developed a heart simulator. Our heart is comprised of 640,000 muscle cells, too many. So for conventional computer, it has taken 3 years to just simulate 1 point something pulse of our, all the muscle cells. But our K computer, which we jointly developed with Riken, reduced this time to just 10 hours plus. Now, it can be used to, decrease the risk of surgery, difficult, cardiac surgery. So doctors can know in prior to the surgery what kind of result will happen by simulation. So these are just a few of many our undertakings. But we believe technology will empower people to build a safer, more prosperous, and sustainable world. We call this a human-centric intelligent society. It's not an easy journey and to take time, but conscious collaboration by stakeholders will take us to realization of this vision. This ends to the end of my speech. I hope you enjoyed that. We really want to be your business partner, sharing your risks and objectives, and together creating digital transformation and shaping a different future. Thank you for listening, and please enjoy your stay at Fujitsu Asia Conference. Thank you very much.